see through the counterfeit, I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get there with a PJ. It's so cool inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light don't shine on me. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he come. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise.
Hey, yo. Morning, chat. Good morning. What's good? What's good? Get the one.
This is life or death. I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father. I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart be more like Hezekiah. Say it and it's done. Breakthrough. Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Welcome in.
But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you.
Welcome, chat. Welcome, welcome.
And that cross couldn't break you.
Happy new day.
Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise.
All right. All right. Welcome, everyone. Welcome in. Good to see you guys here today. Happy new day. Let's get started. Man, you gotta love this song.
Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the
Gotta love this song, huh?
Lead me to your altar.
Fire.
Wash away my shame.
Fire, fire. Fire. Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Welcome in. Happy Thursday. Right? Thursday? Happy Thursday, everyone. Got a trade in the building. Z Gamer is in the house. What up, Yanosh? Andrew, what's good, brother? What up, Traders X? What up, George VDM? AB Mike in the house. What up, Energy? Energy bringing the energy. What up, Wags? James Clack in the house. What up, James Clack? What up, Kelvin? What up, Louis G? My man. Hearts in the building. Stephen B is in the house here. What up, Stephen B? What's up, Awareness? What up, Richard Lewis? Good morning. How y'all doing? Good to see you guys. Yeah, that crew hungry right there. OGH. You guys hear these names? You guys hear these names? These are future 8-figure traders right here. You see them. They're here every day. The Don is in the house. The original. The original. You see these guys. They're here every day. Look, there's no doubt about it, right? Time is our edge. Time is our edge. And as long as you keep showing up and believing that you can do this, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. True Crime in the building. What up, True Crime? What up? What up? What up? What up? All right, let me just do one last thing here, and we're gonna start our day. Where's my Zoom? Oh, my Zoom is good. Discord. All right, we good. Yeah, we good. Let me move my chat from Zoom over here. And I think we are good to go. Struggled to get out of bed this morning after 4 hours of sleep, but I remembered my why. There it is, ladies and gents. There it is. That's the difference. Such a small difference, man. All right. I think we're good. Yeah, we're good to go. Welcome in, everyone. As you guys settle down here, give the stream a like for me. Hey, chat, we're creeping back up towards like 500 likes every day. Holla at your boy, man. Thank you, guys, man. Thank you, thank you. So if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like. I'm going to pray for you guys, and then we're going to get rolling here. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you for a new day. Let us rejoice in it, Lord, trusting you, trusting that all is well, that you have a plan already for our life. You know the numbers of the hairs that are on our head, Lord. So why would we worry about tomorrow, Lord? If you provide for the birds of the air and the fish of the sea and the animals and the creepy crawlers, Lord, then why wouldn't you provide for us, your most highest creation, Lord? So we thank you that we can rest in your promises, that you will provide, that you will protect. Lord, we thank you for the abundance and the amazing calling that you have over our life. Each and every one of us is here to learn from each other, so that way we can make our own world a better place, Lord. We thank you for using us in a major way to impact lives all across the world, Lord. I give you the honor and the glory for this platform right here, and I just thank you, Lord. So we ask you to bless this session here today, and we give you all the glory in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen. Right on cue. Right on cue. Let's get to it, baby. Let's get to it. AB Mike. Holy. Oh, man. Oh, man. Amen, gang. Amen. God's been so good. He's been so good to me. I know he's been so good to you. You know, we tend to forget about how great God really is, right? And how much he's actually provided. So don't forget about that this morning. All right? You may seem like, why can't I get any further, man? But you've already come so far, and there's still a long way to go. Just continue to trust, believe, and put in the work, right? Put in the work. Pay the fee. And you're going to get everything that you're after here. So let's go ahead and get started, and let's take a look at what we got going on here in the headlines today. How's the music? Let me lower it a little bit. There we go. All right, so let's go ahead and get started, ladies and gents. By the way, friendly reminder, second reminder, give the stream a like here as we get started here today, and let's take a look at the news here, right? So today's, what is today? Today is the 13th of June. Right, we got it right here. It is Thursday. It is another day, another opportunity for us to be disciplined, to be patient, and to act like professionals in the market, man. The money is here, right? The money is here. It's just, are you going to be disciplined enough? Are you going to be professional enough to take it, right? Or is the market going to take your money because you're some sort of impulsive gambler who just thinks you're gonna, come up and boss these markets around like you're anything to the market, right? No, we have to have a system, we have to dial in, and we got to be disciplined to it. And those are the traders that get paid. So you want to get paid or you want to take trades, that's completely up to you. I know what I'm doing for my family, and I highly recommend you guys get professional and look to get paid versus just be in this trading game just to say you're in it, right? So let's go ahead and see how we can get paid here today. So looking at the desk, there's a few things that we may want to be aware of as we are potentially going to put our hard-earned investment dollars into the market here today, right? So one of the few things that we have here, if we take a look at 8:30, we've got some news ahead of us. So there's 3 red folder news events right here at 8:30 today. You have core PPI in the month. You have the unemployment claims as well coming in. So that's what's ahead of us here at 8:30. And, that's pretty clean news. 8:30 come out, red folder, nothing we haven't seen before. And then we're pretty chilling the remainder of the session. We've got some yellow and orange folders here today, but nothing too crazy that's going to, keep us out of the market. Probably will spectate around 8:30 and then see if we can get some positions either before or after as we get the result of these actual red folders here. So that's it. That's all that's ahead of us here today in terms of news and what to keep a lookout for. And now let's go ahead and take a look at the charts. Let's do a breakdown and let's see how we can plan some trades here today. Nightbot putting in work. Oh man, what up, BuzzBlab? Let's pop the charts open here and what up, Edson? What up, Jamil? Marcus? Yeah, what's good, boys? Yeah, everyone's here, man. Everyone's here. So let's go ahead and start the breakdown. Hold on. Oh, Green's out to Vegas. Green said, "Hey, don't feel bad. Green's not here. He's about to jump on an airplane. He's out." All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly chart here. Let me just move these over and let's do a quick breakdown. Let's get some some details and some ideas on where price could potentially head here today. So taking a look at the weekly time frame, you know, we've been going over this all week, but you obviously have a closure here below the range. You've got a clean range coming down towards like 2160, but all in all, we haven't really spoke about the monthly quite often this month up until this point, right? So the monthly is still bullish, right? Let's actually touch on the monthly real quick, because I want to show you guys something, right? So you see this candle here, close with no top wick, right? And then you have rejection, and now we're trying to potentially break this low and make our way down, but we've respected that area here, right? We respected this high here, and so far have respected the low. So if we flip bullish, we can still drive up. Now the same kind of things happened if you look left and down a little bit, right? You had candles like kind of reject in these areas and drive down. Same thing, reject, drive down. You have those rejections. So you kind of have like these three candles, right, printing every single time, and you may be seeing that right here as well. It's just a observation that I was looking at earlier, where we could potentially begin to drive down, right, to fill the rest of that range, and then kind of make a decision from there whether or not we want to actually move down. But in order to do that, right, this low right here on the monthly candle, the previous monthly candle's got to break, right? You've got to break through that low in order to say, okay, we should have a clean move down at that point. So as long as we respect that high, break that low, everything looks pretty good to continue down. Let's go ahead and take a look at that low on the weekly. That just happens to be the wick here, right? So remember, we have closed below the range. So at any point, there's 2 days left. There's today and tomorrow left on this weekly candle where we could potentially move up, right, and do some sort of a fake out. But if we do end up breaking those lows today or tomorrow, you will see a drive, right? You will see a pretty solid move coming down. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like on the daily. So daily has been doing exactly what we have really visualized, right? How many guys remember on Monday we drew out the daily time frame? So far it's coming to life, right? We know that we had a support right here, right? A major level of support. On Friday we closed right at that support, so we had a really aggressive candle here on Friday, which was NFP. We closed right here in this support level, right? So the weekly candle needed a top wick, right? So if the weekly candle needs a top wick, then that means that the first 2 or 3 days of the week we should move up, right? So what do you see here? Day 1, Monday, moved up. Day 2, Tuesday, moved up. We were really paying attention to this zone right here, right? This area right here, to see how we would react there. And so far we've rejected, right? We've rejected this area right here, and this could be where you get basically this going on, right? You guys that trade trends and stuff, right? That's basically what we can see happening right here. So this is a big candle here today. We've already broken the lows very aggressively last night, but we haven't really done much. So if you re-break those lows here today, you should no doubt about it, come on down to retest this support level. And then look, if you close below today, then that gives our weekly candle an opportunity to perform some sort of a drive here toward like today and tomorrow. So we can see if that will happen. We're really paying attention to this zone right here, right? We need to stay under there to continue like with this bearish bias. Otherwise, if you close bullish, you've got clean candles to the left hand side, right, for tomorrow. So you close bullish like this, now you have the range up here, and you should pop up and, you know, do something like that. So daily time frame is you know, breaking the lows here and trying to push down. I would say it hasn't been able to create a top wick at all. We have to keep in mind this is our support. This is basically our previous range that we've left, and we're trying to create a resistance here now. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hours, see what's good here. Looks like 4 hour candle has created support. On the last 4 hour, you have a resistance up here, and this is our range currently. So it looks like we did break the highs here on the 4 hour chart. You are in this nasty range here. Like, look how nasty this is on the 1 hour, right? Nasty range. So we were in the Discord last night, and we were talking about potential buys through here. I forget where it was. I think it was somewhere over here, right? It was either this one or this one. And, you know, I was telling everyone, well, you know, they may work out, but, you know, you may begin to range just like you did over here to the left hand side. So like just like you see here, right? You see maybe the same thing happening here. And it didn't really look like we did anything too crazy during London. Yeah, nothing too crazy here during London, just some sideways action. And, you know, that's pretty much what I was thinking about anyway, just kind of printing sideways overall. But anyway, let's go back to here. So it looks like we've got a 30-minute fake out back into the range. I would say this is your range on the 30-minute time frame. And yeah, price closed back in it, closed with no bottom wick. This thing's just selling off here. And yeah, I think that's my game plan here today. Is pretty simple, right? Sells are probably going to be below these supports, and then buys, right? Let me see the 4 hour. 4 hours starting to re-break lows after breaking highs. 1 hour broke the lows. We're starting to break these lows here. Yeah, sells look pretty good if you can get a closure below in about 21 minutes, and then potential opportunities in about 6 minutes on the 15-minute candle. So that is that's my day. That's my day. That's my day, and that's the story that I'm pretty much getting out of price currently right now. We're unable here. We have been unable to really create any sort of a top wick. Yeah, that's your daily open right there. So I could very well see this 4 hour candle after breaking those highs. It shouldn't really be breaking its own low too much, right? So that tells me something's going on here. So we need to pay close attention to this range right here on the 30-minute time frame and see, because notice how we've been down here before, right? We've been down here, right? We keep pulling back in. So, you know, you don't want to jump on it too quick. Same thing to the upside. You keep kind of trying to get up, but you can't get up. Try to get down, can't get down, right? So right now price is just chopping around. If you're not in like a sell from at this point from up here, I wouldn't try and get into, you know, positions right here. Yeah, so I'll sit tight, wait on the 15 here, and see what happens. Yeah, I think I like 30-minute best, but we'll see. We'll see about the closure on the 15. But yeah, that's it. I think we talked about last night, right? Was right here. Yeah, so we did end up popping last night. I think this happened right when I got off the computer. So I didn't see this happen, but yeah, it looks like it actually played out well. Nice. Nice. Anybody took this? Some guys were in the Discord and girls were in the Discord last night. We were talking about this move here. Who took it? Anyone? Pay the fee, man. What up, Pete the G? Pay the fee and give the stream a like. Who took it, chat? I know some of you guys took it. Yo, where were you guys at last night, man? We were in the Discord. Heavy. Lele was in there. She was calling everyone a winner and a champion. Maverick was in the house. Where were you guys? Lele was dropping gems. Sleep stops. Lele was hitting y'all with gems last night, man. That was crazy. I was motivated. I was motivated. Yeah, I figure a lot of you guys are probably sleeping at that time, right? That's like, that was probably like 9:30, 10 p.m. my time. What up, Magnus? What up, Stevie Mac? Chama Goldie. 3 ants. I like that name. 3 ants. How'd you think of that? Chat GBT? 3 ants. Chat, no one knows nothing. Don't tell nobody about these purple lines. You hear me? Don't tell nobody. Don't tell nobody. No one knows nothing about these. What up, Dropout Trader? Oh, wow. 3 a.m., 4 a.m. Holy. Yeah, you guys were sleeping. What up, Peter L? No work today? Let's go. Only work at the desk. Working on the charts. Charts for stream? Yeah, let's take a look at charts for stream. See what you guys did. What'd you guys pull out of the hat here in London? All right, let's see what this is. These are gold sells during the Asian session. Let's see. We got 30-minute closure. Oh, yeah, those were nice. 30-minute closure, below support, previous 30-minute, wick fill. Yeah, that was nice. That was when? Asia? Oh, yes. Yeah, there was a few people in that trade. Yeah, I remember that. What's this now? This is pre-London. So, what's this? Gold? 30-minute time frame, new 4-hour push down with a little top wick, 15-minute close back in the range. I mean, also closed bullish, impulse buys on the break of the highs. It was risky, but had pre-London volume. Nice. Yeah, volume, man. Volume's going to get you there. Volume will take care of the job. Notice how volume typically pushes right up to where we talk about having targets at too, right? Like, this is well known that you should go break even or close partials right at that zone right there. So notice how on the decimal, right, like just like to the T, taps into that zone and then pulls back. So all you need is price action, right? Like at the end of the day, all you need is price action and candlesticks and ranges, right? That's, you can really make do with that and that alone and keep things so simple, man. So simple. But great job here, bro. Great job. Let's take a look. What's this? This is pre-London sells. Okay, so all right. So 4-hour wick fill, 30-minute time frame. Stop loss previous 30-minute candle. 4-hour lows. B first wick. Nice, beautiful. Yep, love it. Same trade. Same trade, I believe. W. London open buys. Damn, you guys were all over it here. All over it last night. Buys and sells. Let's see. Market weekly buys. Well. Alright. 30-minute candle closed bullish. 4-hour resistance level. Let's see. Execution. Breakout. What time frame is this? Oh, this is GJ. Oh, I was going to say, when did I see that on gold? Oh, nice. Cool. Yeah, great trade. W. What else? What else? The red zone is giving me the hibbies. Hibbies? The red zone is giving me the hibbies. All right. So I'm planning on taking buys, okay, if it breaks the range. Okay. Is it a good target? So, the hibbies, bro. What's the hibbies, man? Is that like excitement? Is that like not excitement? What's the hibbies? What's the hibbies? The hibby jibbies? What up, Scott? Scott C and Scott Blackwell is in the house. We do a little Scott. We do a little Scotting. All right. Let's see, man. Y'all got paragraphs for me today. All right. My entry here at 5:25 before the closure of the 30-minute candle. Why? The first 30-minute candle of the 4-hour close bullish. The way it broke previous highs. Okay, activated buyers. Look at you. Wait, is this a buy or a sell? I don't see where the... Wait, what? Okay, but was this a buy or a sell? I'm not sure if this was a buy or a sell. I mean, you have a buy right here, but it looks like immediately it started coming down. If it broke the 1 hour lows, activating sellers. Moved down, gave... Yeah, I'm not too sure what this one is. Let's see, Tradeaholic got some trades here. Let's see. All right, 30-minute close above the range. Waited for a bearish rejection. Entered at the break of the highs. Nice. Right here. GJ. Keeping it simple. Simple chart. Simple explanation. W. Yeah, nice trade. I'm new to trading. I saw a fake out. And hold on, let's do this one first. Oh, okay, this was the celery play, right? Kinda celery play, yeah. Alright, I'm new to trading. I saw a fake out and closed below the resistance, and then I waited for a top wick, and then I set a sell stop. Look at that. Don't you just love new people? They keep it so simple. Keep it so simple. I saw a fake out, and it closed below the resistance. I waited for a top wick, and then I set the sell stop. Man. W, bro. W. Good job. The only thing about that trade, and I think that's awesome that you took a great trade here. But the only thing here for me would have been this candle closing with no bottom wick, so I probably wouldn't have entered that trade. But other than that, I like your attitude, man. I like your simplicity. Maybe I'm complicating it. These candles with no bottom wick, they give me the heebies. They give me the hibbies. What a day yesterday though, man. Oh wow, this thing is driving here. Oh, I didn't realize the 15 here closed. Yeah, this thing is pumping. Who's in this sell? I didn't even realize this happened. 15 closure here. The hibbies, man. Is that a term that I'm unaware of? I don't think I ever heard that one. LeGrand, what's up, brother? What up, Rapid Max? Traders X, how you doing, bro? Nice job. Push it, push it. See Melly. Yo, yesterday worked. Yesterday was it really was time to eat. We had breakfast together, we had lunch together, we had some dinner together. It was good. A little night snack. $30 closing, no bottom wick. Yeah, that was whack. Yep. The heebie-jeebies. Yeah, I heard of that one. Yeah, we should come straight down to 2310 here. Yesterday, for the first time, I felt like a full-time trader. You were trading all day. All day. What's up, Dominic? Hey, some of y'all trade all day, man. I shout out to you guys, man. Straight hustling. All right, straight hustling. You're like, yo, I don't know, man. I don't want a job. I'm just gonna put $1,000 in this and try and pull money every day. W belief. Would you still expect the daily to come up for the top wick, considering the entire structure is bearish? Anything is possible, but it's going to be tough, man, to try to do that during Asian and London here. See all these bullish candles trying to get up, trying to get up, trying to get up, and this one really just like knocked them out now. So we'll see. We'll see. Worst case, we do it on another candle. Come up on a new candle, pop up, and then drive down. But yeah, anything can happen here. I think this was the low that we made last night, right? I think it was right here. That was the lowest low of the day. No, it was the other one. Which one? This one. Yeah, so we'll see. We're coming down to potentially re-break that low. Trade all day. Yeah, I feel like if you can do it responsibly, right? Because there are plays that happen throughout the day. Like sometimes I'll be sitting here hanging out and I see opportunities like later on in the day. So like if you can do it responsibly and keep it professional, then I don't see why not. You know, I think over trading is more so for newer traders who truly are not executing on edge, right? Let's just be honest. I mean, they're just executing. They're taking a sell when the market's pushing heavily down. They're taking a buy when the markets are pushing heavily up, right? But we're talking about the way we trade here during the session. If you can keep that same approach, that same professionalism all throughout the day, you can make some money, man. You can make some money. Yeah, something to think about. What's up, awareness? Storm potato. That's right, man. That's right. Now, you always gotta, no matter how professional you are, no matter how good you are, there's always that slip up. So even myself, you know, like you can always get like into a, what we like to call that moment where you take a loss and you're trying to get it back, and you know it could almost slip by like it was invisible, and next thing you know you find yourself revenge trading. So that's just one thing that you always have to be on top of and always have to be aware of. That's why, like, I would say if you guys are struggling like with capital, so you don't have too much capital, but you're really trying to like dig deep and learn these markets, you know, put like we were talking about the other day, like imagine having $100 bill, right? $100 bill in your hand, and that day you're either going to lose that $100 bill and that's it, just that bill, or you're going to walk away with more $100 bills, right? So you take that $100 bill and let's say you're going to risk $50 a trade, or even let's say you're going to risk $100 a trade to get a 1-to-1. Right, so you win your first trade. Now you got what? How many dollar bills you got now? $100 bills. You got two, right? So now you got two $100 bills. The one that you came with, ready to lose, and then now you have one that's profitable, right? So now you go ahead and you risk that profit for another 100. Okay, now let's say you got $300, right? And now the next trade you lose, so you're back to 200. And then the next one you win, you're back to 300. And then let's say, you know, the afternoon is coming, you're just like, you know what, today I'm either going to go home break even or I'm going to make $600, right? And then you find the next best setup, and on that setup you risk your 300, right? And that's how you multiply, you know, your money when you're in tough times. You gotta, you know, use your brain, use your noggin, and learn how to hustle. Right? You know, straight up, like you just gotta learn how to hustle. But again, you have to do this all responsibly if you really want a good result. And what I mean by that is that's why I said have a fixed number. Hey, every day it's only this $100 bill right here, right? Or this $1 bill, or this $10 bill, or this $1,000, whatever the number is for you, right? That number is irrelevant, but you know, that's what I would say, especially you young guys, man. 19 years old, 20 years old, chilling. I'd be in my room like a dork, like a nerd, like ding, 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 ding. Buy, sell. I don't know what you guys are doing. My friends would be calling me. I'd be like, nah, man, I'm busy. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. What are you doing over there, bro? Just buying and selling. Just buying and selling. Don't tell nobody nothing. That's it. But keyword, responsibly. Responsibly. And guess what? Some days you're gonna walk away with some profits. Some days you're gonna have break even. Some days you're gonna lose that 100. But you know, that's just how it's gonna go. Buy the dip. Don't forget to buy the dip. All right, so we have tapped into target here, right? So price has tapped target. We'll see what happens and how we react towards 2310 here, but as of right now, that is the target, right? That was where I had this zone at. So we have tapped into that zone, and let's see where we can go from there. There's 30 seconds left here on this candle. 1 hour candle still open. It would be very nice here if the next 30-minute candle can just be some weak candle like this, right? And that's when we pull the trigger on the break of the highs for NY open. All right, something like this. Boink. And then we should make our way back up towards 14, 16, and then go from there. Unless you guys want to take a sell right here, then by all means, do your thing. Feels so good to be back after vacation. Hey, yo. See? Everyone thinks they want vacation, but they really just want to work. There you go, AB Mike. There you go. Three pip stops, 500 pip TP. Yo. Entering on the flip of this candle. Stop loss underneath the current low. Gone. Exactly. Yeah. So basically like an onion play, but without confirmation that the bullish candle. Yep, exactly. So, you know, obviously like this would maybe be a little bit better, right? But I don't want this thing to run, right? Because then we don't really have a good shot now, right? Now we don't have a good shot at the buy. So if it can close like that, that'd be great, you know, bullish. But I'd also rather even see it close bearish the way I drew it up there. And then now you're basically taking an onion without that bullish candle in front of it, right? So you just boom on the break of the high, knowing that we have volume coming in, right? And that NY opens coming up, and that if we try and wait for this candle to give us a cute, cool little support like that, chances are it probably runs on us, right? And then we kind of get a closure like that, and it's like, what are we going to take the buys now, right? Up here. So we still could, but, you know, you'd much rather get it down here. Wiz Buddha. How you doing? What's the difference between this 30 and the next one? Yeah, definitely the volume. Volume. Like if we had a actual onion planted already, like if we had a support formed already, that'd be different. But if we're gonna try and do the impulse idea and the target tapped idea, then we definitely want volume. Stops would be like these lows down here. So you can pick, basically you can pick either one, right? So you got a couple areas for stops, right? So you can keep it below this low, you can keep it below these lows, or you can have this low, right? I think either one is fine. Ideally you want to keep it below here, but you know, you may be willing to sacrifice a couple pips just in case price kind of comes down, breaks the low. It should respect this wick over here and then, you know, make its way up. What up, Xander? Good morning, good morning. You consider the same like pre-London today? Pre-London. Let's take a look at pre-London. Oh yeah, over here? Yeah, very similar. Very similar, yup. Yup. Yeah, just like we did last time, right? What did we do last time? We came in this area, we kind of popped up here. Big rejection zone here. When do you assume there will be volume, high volume for impulse entries? Just session opens? No. So session opens, right? That's going to be one of them. Then you have news events, right? So news releases that are coming out, you'll have it. And then also like times like some of you guys know about like 8:20 a.m. Eastern where you got comics open. Anytime you get like a decent breakout too, there's going to be some impulse opportunities. So we haven't really had the opportunity to take much of those yet. A lot of our impulse entries have basically been what you've seen me do over the past like month or so, which is basically like this target tapped concept that we've been like running with here. But there's also opportunities like right here would have been a decent impulse entry, right? On the break of those lows too, for price to continue down if you didn't get a closure and, you know, no wick and stuff. But those ones I'm still continuing to monitor from just an eye perspective and not actually entering in. But they tend to work out pretty good. But I think these ones that we're looking at now work out much better than these, because sometimes you'll poke down there and then pull back. So I feel like these ones are the more risky ones after you get a breakout, because once you get candles to break out and then break lows, that indicates volume coming in. So, but sometimes that volume works against you on that type of impulse. How you doing? What up? What up? What's good? What's good? What's good? Hey, if you guys are not in our free Discord, you guys can join the Discord here. The free Dizzy. Yeah, this is good. This is good. Let's see what happens. Where do you predict gold going today if we at 8:30? Well, it all depends on what we do here. So if we continue rejecting here, right, just kind of like we've done in the past, and I think by 8:30 we can be back somewhere up in this range here, right? If we reject this zone, if we break those highs, I think you could see price, you know, pushing up back into these ranges and maybe even retesting, you know, the highs up here. So that's what I can see, but we got to keep rejecting this what is that, 2310? Yeah, 2310 area. Tradeaholic, let's go. Yeah, oh, you guys had me checking out charts for stream. We missed the trade for stream. Perfect. Straight to the target too. You had a nice 15 closure there. Y'all playing with my money. Who said look at charts for stream earlier? If the 15 lacks wicks, but the 30-minute has both top and bottom wick, do you still consider the play? Yes. Yeah. The 30-minute time frame takes like priority over pretty much any time frame for me. Full margin, bro. You sent another one? Oh, let's check it out. Yep, there she goes. Nice. 5 minute. 5 minute. Yeah, not bad. To trade the range too, 5 minutes good. I like 5 minutes to trade in the range, but not breaking out of the range, because there's always a lot of 5 minute fake outs. We got a bleeder. Can you elaborate on why you consider the 30-minute the most? Yeah, because that's so the 30 minutes very helpful, right? Because especially if you're looking to dig deep into the 4-hour candle, right? You know, you only have 4 1-hour candles there, but you do have 8 30-minute opportunities, and you know, within these 4-hour candles, there's typically 2 hourly candles that are going to be massive, right? So your 30-minute candle gets you into those big hourly candles. Let's say you can wait to see how the first half of it closes, and then boom, you're in on the next half, right? Or let's say you are, you don't have the best confirmation on the 15, you wait on the 30. Typically the 30, especially when we look at sessions, how you have 8 to 8:30, 8:30 to 9, then you got 9:30 to 10, right? These kind of flow in these like 30-minute increments, and it's perfect because you want to try and get within that big hourly candle. And the 30-minute gives you like the best confirmation. Unless sometimes you're bouncing around high volume, I'll use the 15. But other than that, I'll typically stick with the 30-minute. I want it sells at 23.20. 23.20. Right here. You had a pretty decent 30-minute onion. Right here. Yeah, you broke those highs, but never ended up closing bearish anyway. So it looks like the 30-minute time frame was trying to plant the support here. right? So you're trying to plant the support, but then you get a bearish closure, right? So now you got a bearish onion play. So instead of going down to the 5 where things are a little crazy because you have all this going on, right? So this here and all this is a lot going on the 5-minute time frame. So if you stick to the 30, you keep your stops right here, your entry wherever on this candle, and that's it. You fill your wick and take your profits right there as support. Leave your runner for, like, you know, these areas down there. Yeah, for me, the 5-minute just made things a bit complicated. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. This one? Oh, the pre-stream candle? Oh, right here. Oh, this one? Yeah, the 5, look how tricky that 5-minute was. Here you got a nice 15 onion. The 5-minute kind of looked like it wanted to plant resistance and then no bottom wick, support, and then yeah, sometimes you're going to have those opportunities on the 5, but in this case, the 15 kind of played it off much better. Tricky, tricky. Biggest win and biggest loss? I mean, it all depends. I mean, I've had 400K challenge. I mean, what are we talking live accounts? Are we talking challenge accounts? Are we talking funded accounts? The biggest win on like a live, like my own capital, was 10K. On a funded account, it was like more like 15 or something like that. Biggest loss was I mean, on a funded account, my biggest loss in a day was probably like 20,000. But regular capital, like live capital, my own cash, I think it was like 3 grand. Honestly, I can't even remember. It's been so many trades at this point. Wow, this thing is ripping. Damn. Hey, we ain't never looking at delete charts for stream. Delete it. I don't want to see it again. Where's my Discord manager? Delete that damn thing. Nah, y'all know I would have been out right here. I wouldn't have been eating none of that. I'm just kidding. We're not gonna delete it. Oh my god, he deleted it. Yo, no, I'm just kidding. PK moves quick. Nah, I would have been out of here, right? I would have been out of this whole trade right there. Or at least like 90% out of it. Yeah, volume pumping right now. Sheesh. No regrets. No FOMO. We could have been in this trade, Zebs. We could have been in it, man. What happened to yesterday's stream? No, man. There was a good amount of knowledge on that stream, but they banned it for... I think it was a something with copyright music. I think I might be able to get that one back. I'll work on getting that one back today. Pretty annoying. Do I prefer personal account or funded? Hey, they both make money, so I think they have their own pros and cons, I would say. But But when you have a good system and a playbook and you're like willing to follow it and you're decently good at trading, I think either one, right? I think I love the funded because, I mean, you know, it goes without saying you can make much larger profits, right? But then again, I love the freedom of trading my own capital and doing my own thing and just having fun with it. You know, a lot of us get caught up in this challenge phase, right? And you look back and you're like, yo, the last like 2 years, some of you guys are looking back like, yo, the last year or 2 years, or heck, I have never even traded live capital before, right? I've been just trading these challenge accounts. So it feels good to trade your own personal capital, but then again, like when you pass those accounts and you know you qualify for these bigger payouts, it's awesome, right? So they both have their own pros and cons, but I have both, so I like them both. Yeah, pros and cons, man. Pros and cons. Yeah, we did play some copyright. Best place to get funded, no doubt about it, Top One Trader. No doubt about it. I don't know what's going on out there with all the other firms. I haven't paid any attention, but as far as I know, Top One is the only one that I would work with at this point, especially after everything that has gone down over the last like year and a half in the prop firm space. It's whack, you know what I mean? It's been really annoying to see like what's been happening where these companies just can't hold it together, right? So Top One, I know the guys back in that one, and you know they're rocking and rolling. Are there people who copy paste trades? I don't know. Me no speak English. No idea. Me know nothing. Yeah, the one thing I like about my own capital here now is that it's in a U.S. futures regulated broker, so it feels good. Like it's like almost like free. I feel like free, not worrying about hitting a certain you know, percentage and things like that. Just trading, you know, just having fun trading. Charts for stream marathon now. Why? So I can see all you guys taking these sells. Come on, man. I'm just kidding. Let me pop it up here. Hold on. Y'all want to rub it in my face, huh? Let's see. Oh, no sells here. All right, buys. All right, let's see. Gold, US dollar, 15-minute time frame. Ongoing major trend, bullish, printed support on the 15. Wick fill, bullish point. Nice. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, nice full target up there. And that was yesterday's 4-hour candle. Remember the highs up there yesterday, where we really wanted to be in this sell here, but we wanted to see those highs break, and that unfortunately didn't happen. But these are the powerful. This is the power and impulse entries, like we were talking about. Notice how the reason we take them is because it's high time of volume, while we're sitting on a confirmation candle, knowing that there's so much volume coming in at that point that there may not be a confirmation candle, right? So look at the power of the volume that came in here, and we were just about a pip away from being on that ride. So yeah, great. That was a great idea that we generated out of the market yesterday. So all of you guys who really understood that and figured that one out, W to you, because that's the learning process here. You know, just some days you're going to be a part of that move. Some days you're just not going to be able to get in. And again, that's A-okay, right? It's totally fine to watch that move go down there yesterday. Knowing that it would go down, just not having, you know, the right door, right? The right opportunity, the right door to open to get in there. Yeah. Let's see this one. All right, so waiting for range. Nice job, man. Tradeaholic, he's out here. Pete the G, you leaving us for some surf, huh? I want to go surfing. Remember, stay professional out there. Wait patiently for the right waves. No impulse surfs, man. No impulse surfing today. Pete the G, you take every wave that comes your way? Or is there any waves that you like let go and wait for a better one? Teach me about surfing real quick. There we go, Wiz Buddha. There we go. Tell the people. Tell them something. In 10 waves, he takes one, chat. In 10 waves, he takes one maybe. You see that? Patience. Look at that. Yeah, there you go. I don't waste opportunities, or I wait for the best opportunities, and I don't waste my energy. Simple. His energy is his money in trading, right? He's got to wait for the best opportunities. He doesn't want to waste that money. He wants to get a good ride. Mic drop, word. Pete the G. You are a G, sir. We'll see you tomorrow, man. Have fun out there. So I think Top 1 will allow MT5 in the future. I don't think so. I think they're done with MT5. I think they're just C Trader, Match Trade, Trade Locker, and I think there was one other one, right? The one dude yesterday, he's like, do you own Top 1? Money is energy. Damn, Pete the G. Why don't you just come up here? Why don't you run this thing? I'll go surf. Man, spitting today. Test a missile 66 miles off the coast of Florida. I'm about to get out of here. Oh, you got to surf on the webcam? Message me on Discord. I'll take a look. I'm down. I want to watch. All right, 4 minutes left here on this closure. NY Open coming up. Where you at, Pete the G? I can't remember where you are. Where are you surfing at? Yeah, Colin. So it's tough. So sometimes you can't really ignore those 30-minute levels. Like they're strong, right? They're definitely something to take into consideration, you know. So some days I will, some days I won't. I truly believe there's a unique market in front of us each and every day, and you know, a lot of times like there's gonna be some sort of like just what word do I want to use? I don't know, like just like unique, right? Some new unique levels or ranges, or the 4 hour candles doing something that maybe, you know, anything could change. It could be different things happen on different time frames that can alter that decision. You know, there's a lot that does go into it. But yeah, every day is a bit unique. I think if we do get a support here today, though, we should be good to you know, see some sort of a pullback here. What up, Grind Time? My man. Good to see you, bro. So true, man. There's so many different variables on each different day and each different time, on this time frame, on that time frame. It's a lot, you know. If you guys are struggling, some of you guys, you know, I've been doing this for a while now, so I forget, you know, I jump from time frame to time frame. But if you're not understanding the time frames, like, and you're brand new, don't worry. It's a little complicated, but I'll try and slow down and try and focus a little bit more on why I'm going to each time frame and try and talk you guys through it a little bit. Because I remember like the time frame thing was a tricky one, right? To finally catch on to. It's like, what? Like 30 minute, 15, one. You see me jumping from time frame to time frame like crazy, man. Yeah, that was some nasty volume that came in here. Wow. All right, Pete the G. Have fun, bro. Later, man. How long till you guys are on the water? I'll pop it up here. It's 8 a.m. So what do you think? Hour to get down there? 2 hours? You emailed Mark Douglas's wife? Oh, wow. Do we have an impulse buy if this one closes with an exhaustion wick? Well, we would just have a simple onion at that point. Like, this is just a regular playbook position now. You know, the impulse entry would be entering right now, right? But if we enter after this candle closes, then that's just a typical, you know, normal playbook position. Yo, I think I gotta change my light bulb here. Yeah. No John today? That's so funny. That's so funny. I see him literally just pop in. He just popped in, man. Just popped in. Let me just set something up here first, and then we'll get him up here. All right, yeah, I'm gonna have a buy stop on the break of this 1 hour high here, the previous 1 hour high. Gonna have a buy stop here. What up, Johnny boy? Let's bring him on in. How you doing? Ask him to unmute. What up, brother?
Yo, yo, good morning, brother.
What's goody?
Bob, it's goody.
How you doing?
How you doing, man?
Fantastic.
Fire.
Yeah.
And
How's your morning going? Good?
Morning's going great. How's your morning?
Amazing. Hanging here with the TTE crew.
Yes, sir.
Don't get much better than this.
Definitely not.
And now John's here. Oh, they.
Yo.
Good evening, Johnny Gems.
Morning, chat. What's goody?
Good evening. All right, so I'm in a buy. Got into this buy here on gold. Shooting to see if we can make our way back up to the top of the range. Probably going to go break even around, I would say, these points right here. As we approach this support level, go break even, and then, yeah, take it from there. Yeah, the only way I'm going to close the position here is if this candle closes back below this range here at 23, what is that, 06. Yeah, other than that, going to hang on here and see if we can get a pullback.
What do you got? Current candle stops?
Previous.
Okay.
Yeah. What up, Shafiq? I hope I'm saying your name right. I hope I'm saying your name right, man. Yeah, so
Yo,
what's
yo,
good,
what's good, chat?
Chilling?
Good. Chilling, yeah. Yeah. Just chilling, bro. Damn, I was too late on this.
Yeah, this may have been one you could possibly like enter on the flip of the candle too, and not even necessarily the break of the high. But the break of the high is not bad. Why buy? We already explained all this. We came down to support, right? We've been pushing down here for quite some time. We closed right at this level of support. You can see there's a 30-minute support there as well. You have a bullish day here, although we did break the lows already. The 4 hours should begin to pull back a bit, and the 1 hour, same thing, right? You close like right at this rejection level on the 30-minute. So you would expect some sort of a pullback at this point after price has been driving since basically 23.20 here. Now we'll see what happens, right? So, you know, so far we're gonna go break even right around these areas at 23.10 and then see if we can get a pump up here. Yeah, other than that, you know, there's just these supports here, but price can still break the low and drive. Should we hold for news? Should we hold for news? Possibly. Possibly. Don't disappear, chat. Yeah. Don't go anywhere. We're holding for news, AB Mike. What do you say? What do you say?
Wow, chat, I can't believe I didn't get in.
It's all right. What are you going to do? Go for the news. What up, YOLO trader? What's good? What's good? Yeah, I'll probably adjust my stops here. Yeah, so just gonna keep stops below the current candle low now, and see if we can push up. All right, yeah, time to go break even, chat. So break even time for me, and if we can survive, we got a good trade on our hands here. So coming into this area now, and that's where we're gonna hit B. TT raid was crazy, yo. Oh my god, I forgot about that. Yeah, no more risk here, chat. I got no more risk on the table. Big news coming in. Yeah, we have big news coming in here at 8:30 today. So 8:30 news coming in. And that is happening in 25 minutes. I think I might hit break even. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I hit B there. So pretty decent. 18 pips. We wanted to go break even there for this, the specific reason that if we tap into this level here, that could be your 1 hour top wick, right? On the 30-minute time frame, bouncing there. So yeah, great job, B. And on to the next. Great idea.
Yeah,
So still no sells though for me yet, because there's support right here. 30-minute support right here. Anybody close any partials? I did not. Close having 12 pips. Nice. Nice, nice. 5 had no top wick. Oh yeah, I see that. No top wick. What do I call the setup? I just call it just an onion play. That was a 15-minute onion here. Yeah, you gotta close your back above the range. And yeah, buys on the break of the high. Yeah, you can still pump up here.
No buy off support.
Yeah, I do not like that sell right here at all. So even though we got hit at BE, you may still pop up. Got 15 pips, nice.
Good stuff.
How much did I
What'd
risk?
you get,
I think
Nick?
I
You got
risked.
B.
Yeah, I think I was risking like $600. 600. I was probably up maybe 200, so I didn't want to close any partials there. Like normally I would close partials there, but I didn't want to do that. You know, I want to see if we can get some of these trades to run pretty good during high volume times. So yeah, so that's why I just went break even. Oh, how much percentage? That would be like 3%. 600 at this point? Yeah, 3%. Time to eat. Yeah, if you guys kept your stops, so like the way you may survive is if you kept your stops, right? So if your stops are either where they originally were, or if you have them below the current low at this point, that wouldn't be a bad idea. Because if you break that low, you may drive down here, right? But original stops should be good. As long as you continue to close above 2306, then yeah, this thing still should go for a ride. Close full at the top. Let's go. Nice, nice. All right. %3 calculated already. Did I close part? No, I just hit break even. I didn't close anything. Yeah, I was looking for partials more so around like 14 here. I want to see if we can get this thing to ride. Get it to run. Change the statistic. Which one? You can't change statistics. Oh, put BE to 2. Oh, okay.
Update the record, bro.
Update the record. Damn it, Nick. Update the record.
Right away, bro. Don't even take a break.
I'm gonna do it when I want to. No. Yeah, so let's see. If we break this low here, you may start continuing down, but I think we may consolidate a little bit.
Oh, news.
Yeah, it's gonna be. This gonna be. Yeah. Now we're breaking the low there. Is it true that you take some trades with small negative conditions when we are in NY Open? Yeah. The only condition that I really truly don't like is the whole like no wick. That's the one that I really just can't get over. I've just seen it play out against the idea too many times. Like, so the one big thing for me in the hard no is really like selling on a candle with no bottom wick. Right, or buying on a candle with no top wick. But other than that, like the other conditions are kind of minor to me. And if volume's coming in, then I will, I'll anticipate a move there. Yeah, yeah. Like if this candle had no wick at the top, then I wouldn't have taken that buy. Do your job. All right, let's mark that one up. All right. All right. All right, boss. All right. All right, that was 8 a.m. 6:13.
Way to pull the trigger.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Louis G. On to the next best trade.
VE. All right, good idea there. Because if you did get a pullback there, you were gonna really like get a nice jump there. So you may still get that. Let's see how the 30-minute candle closes here, and then you got news coming in, right? So we'll see how that news affects price. Change the record now. Oh, hold on, I forgot to do it on the overlay. Hold on, boss. Hold on. Let's make sure this is good. Do.
Yo, good morning, Xander. Good morning, Andrew. It's goody.
Damn, we're almost on our 20th break even in the last 2 years.
Oh, good morning, the Don. Damn, are you serious?
Oh, what was that? What was the B just at?
What do you mean? Where was it
What was
at?
the yearly at?
Is it 19?
No, that was like for the last 2 years. Hold on, let me look at yesterday's stream. I think it said 18 or... what was it at? Yearly? It was at 5. So 6. So let's do this too. Gold buys. Break even. Oh, hold on. There we go. Perfect. All right, cool. All right, on to the next. What up, TK? How you doing?
Hey, yo, what's good, TK?
TK. US 30's up. Oh, US 30 up. Yeah, not a bad idea there, though. Not a bad idea. But you see why we went break even right in that area? Very crucial, right? To understand, hey, where do I go break even, right? Where do I close partials? Where do I make specific decisions in the market to protect my capital, right? And this area right here was probably the best spot for us to say, well, you know, it's 20 pips, so we don't really want to close partials, but we'll go break even, right? So that was kind of my mindset there. I think I would have closed partials more so up here in these ranges, but yeah, break even and on to the next.
Yeah, great trade, great management.
Yeah, what up, Sandman?
Good, Sandman.
Don't worry, you saved on commissions.
The wags, yeah, I did. I guess. Hey, yo, the account manager is gonna be mad at me though for not executing.
John, get in here.
I'm getting a tap on the shoulder today.
What up, Ben?
Good, Ben. Nah, yeah, really good. I like the idea, you know, after a huge move down, get that pullback.
Yes, sir. So yeah, now our next range here is probably going to be like 2306, right? So we want to see what happens here at 2306. this 30-minute candle can still close bullish here today, right? So maybe we were too early on the 15. Maybe we can wait for that exact same idea on the 30, and then that's where you get your pullback. So I'm still down to give this idea a second shot, but we need a support to form on the 30. We need a bottom wick, and then we can ride the volume from potentially PPI, right, to drive us up. What a beautiful day it is, Mia. What a beautiful day.
Facts.
Right, Pablo? Good morning, bro.
Morning, Pablo. Yo, the worst trader. I got a lot of sun yesterday. I was out in the sun, so that might explain why I look like a bearish candle.
John looking like a blade.
Gotta get that vitamin D, y'all.
He spent a long day in the sun. Who won that game last night? Was there a basketball game?
Yeah. I believe, oh, Boston. Yeah, C-Melly, Boston won.
Hey, the worst trader. You should change your name. I got a great name for you. You should change it to the best trader. Yeah, that's what I would do. I would make my new name the best trader. Yeah. Boston won.
Green must be hype. Yo, Green. Green check.
Funny. Green just jumped on a plane.
Oh, wow, really?
Yeah, he texted me. He said, "I'm going up. If I don't make it, I love you." But I hate that you don't send me signals.
If I don't make it, I love you.
I just wrote back, "Let's go. I love you." The best worst trader, or actually I think I like the worst best trader. I think that one's good. The worst best trader. The best worst trader. That's kind of like when I grew up, I thought we were like at the top, you know what I mean? Like I was like, yo, we're probably at the top. And my dad always said, you know, we're at the top. I was like, the top of what? He said, the top of the bottom, son. I'm like, oh, word. That's awesome. So yeah, man, I guess the best worst trader is pretty good too.
Hey, at least if you're at the bottom, you're at the top, you know?
We're at the top of what? The bottom? Oh, okay. Gotcha. Not a bad place to be.
Yeah, that's hilarious.
All right, 9 minutes on the closure here. 9 minutes on the close. So it looks like original stop is still holding here. This idea may still play out here, so I am still interested, but got to see this 30 close here. Hey, yo. At the top, baby. It's less crowded at the top.
Facts.
It's fun, man. You know, very rarely am I on the roads at these times, or these days at like 5 p.m. or like even like right now, like 8 a.m., 7 a.m. Man, the roads are jam packed. But during the afternoon, while everyone's in the cubicle, man, it's a good time. You know, I get to go to the stores. There's no one in there. I get to we go to breakfast. It's basically just us. No one in the parking lot. Don't even have to look for spots. I mean, it's pretty cool.
Definitely. Kind of like you're the only one alive, in a way.
Like, is anyone else here? Hello, hello, hello.
Major glitching.
Have we watched Seinfeld? Nah, I think my dad watched that a lot back in the day. Seinfeld, yeah. I actually never seen an episode of that. Is it any good? Any good? Any good? Why bullish? So I would say why, the question really should go, why bullish over the next hour? So why bullish over the next hour? So I'm not bullish. I'm bullish for if we close and plant a support here, then I'm bullish for the next hour, right? From 8:30. So for this 4 hour to close up and pull back, and then the next one to make a top wick, I'm bullish, right? But other than that, I am pretty bearish overall. But also don't want to take sells here, right? Because we've just been pounding down the whole time, right? So that's why I'm looking to see if we could potentially catch buys on the way back up. If we got our signal and, you know, setup and execution, all that lining up, then I'll look to, you know, be bullish for the next 30 minutes, 45 minutes to an hour. Yep. And then after that 4 hour closes, that's when I'll recenter, regroup, do a fresh analysis, and then, you know, maybe continue. Because if we close bear here, right, as long as we close below the range here, we're good to go, right? So I'm gonna be very bearish after this 4 hour candle closes. And if it closes somewhere up here, you know, or let's say below here, then I know we've got range, right, to come down, fill the wick, and come into these zones here. So yeah, I wouldn't say I'm bullish for the whole entire day, but for the next little bit, definitely. If this candle closes bullish. Yeah, because we've been selling off now for all this time.
His real bias is to just follow price action, right? Follow the higher time frame direction and look for the confirmations on the lower time frame.
Yeah, that's it. So yeah, we'll see how we do here. But at the end of the day, I know gold. You guys know gold. Gold can just say, hey, the hell with your stupid pullback that you're looking for. We're not giving that today. And gold can drive just like that.
Literally.
So I'm aware of that.
10 candles can be bearish if it wants to be.
Yep. And that's why I'm going to approach this with caution. It just keeps on pushing, man. Just keeps on pushing. Yeah, when gold rallies, gold rallies. Look at this. Look at this rally. See, imagine if we would try to take a buy here or buy here or buy, like, without actual legit confirmation, you'd be donezo, right? So the one thing I'm really trying to avoid you guys like thinking is that this play we're calling the bottom, right? We just have this magic, this like, you know, idea like, okay, this is gonna be the bottom, right? No, we're really trying to do this like systematically with legit confirmations, not just saying, hey, this is the bottom, but you know, we could expect this could be the bottom, but we're also getting this and that to line up, right? So it's not just sniper entry, right? And that's not what it is. It's much deeper than that. And you guys are starting to see that, but I just don't want it to come off as if like we're just taking a buy because we think price is going to stop selling off. Because we all know that this candle can fill that wick so easily right now and drive down in the next 3 minutes here. Yeah. I don't want you guys to think we're using the Eagle 4000. We haven't rolled it out yet. Right, John? We're still working.
Yep. Still working.
Oh, Raja's back in Pakistan. Let's go. All right, Traderholic. Now you just rubbing it in, huh? Yeah, that was a beautiful move, dude. Congrats to you, man. Because you're in from where'd you get in again? You got in one of these. No, not that one. Not that one. This one, right? Yeah, 2313, nice.
Hey, damn good trade, bro. Good trade.
Great trade. She running, Tradeaholic. I know you talking game right now. I could just
That's a nice
imagine
impulse sell
the
right there.
conversation you're having with a chart right now. That boy is sweet talking gold right now. You know that's why I love you. Give me that money. Give me my money. Just bring it to me. You know how I like it. You know how I roll. Oh man, so we'll see how the 30 closes here. And we got 1 minute here, and then the news comes out. Tradeaholic got that love-hate relationship with gold, man. Gold, I'm telling you, no.
Right.
Stop playing with me, fam. All right, 1 minute here, 1 minute. So you are at support. So you are at a major level of support here, where last time pretty much we came into the zone, kind of pushed up, rejected off, pushed up. So you may get a push here. You may get a push. Let's see, 45 seconds. Can we give it another go?
Oh, casino's open.
Casino's open. Chat, what are we doing? What do you think? Any trade taken? Yeah, we took a buy on gold off this 15-minute right here. Doink, hit break even.
Ten seconds.
10 seconds. Oh.
Wow.
There's the pullback. There's the pullback.
Damn.
So yeah, so that's why
Damn,
we're
Daniel.
bullish on gold. If the 30 closed bull, happened too quick for me to get in though.
Yeah.
Tradeaholic, sorry bro. Hopefully you close partials there.
Oh. Damn, forgot about Tradeaholic. At least it was risk free, bro.
Oh yeah, it was risk free. Yeah, so our
That's
buy
great.
ended up working out perfectly there.
So my new traders, welcome to trading gold.
Lovely, lovely. Too quick for me. Too quick.
Yo, shout out everyone who had buys. Let's go.
Yeah, if you guys were in the buys from earlier, W. Stops were good to go, and yeah. Nice job. Nice job.
Good
What up,
stuff.
DT Gamer? We got a juice. Simple.
Let's go, Michael.
Simple, right? 30-minute candle close support. The buys are pretty much automatic.
Yeah, that's fire.
We got a juice box.
Juice box.
Yeah, I wish I would have got that off, but
I was too quick, bro. Right at
there's too
news
much
drop.
sauce. Too much sauce. Who lost their account? Oh, nice, Tradeaholic. W. W. Yeah, that was on. Yeah, you're right. That was perfect bottom wick. You seen how it looked on my futures chart though, right? It was just straight bullish. Like it was weird. But I don't think I would have had enough time anyway to get that off. Got violated yesterday, damn. Yeah, FOMC, man. CPI wasn't playing. They took a whooping. All right, look at this 4-hour candle now. Back to business on the 4-hour. Chat printing out here. Let's go. Yeah, original stops did hang tight there. Yep. Yeah, I think this last push down was the liquidity here. Nice. Oh, pre-London, yeah. Yo, what up, Rafi? Rafi's in a chat.
Morning, Rafi.
Yo, yo. Daily candle back up. Holy. Nothing can stop the bullish run.
See how this 4-hour closes. It'll close above those levels to the left.
Sheesh.
Damn.
Here's your daily high right here. What the heck is that?
You look at this.
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the car.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
The car is not perfect.
Just look at it.
Whatever gold, we'll
Look at
just
it.
follow you.
Yeah, well.
What the heck is that?
What the heck?
Oh, look at this. You got me.
Oh, look at this. Yeah, now we wait again. Now we wait. So for those who hold the buys, great job. Now we got a 4-hour closure coming in. That's
Time
Give
to
me
be
a sec.
patient. Time
Give
to
me a
work out that patience.
Give me a sec, John. I'm gonna go grab some water.
All right, bro. Yep, time to wait for 4-hour closure. Damn Goldie, Fact Sandman. Goldie went crazy. Goldie said, I'm gonna show you my skills. Yeah, but hey, y'all, time to work out that patient muscle here again. But what's good, chat? How's everyone's day going so far today? Anyone take any trades today so far in London, New York? I know some of you are in these buys. These are lovely. Yo, yo, let's get out of Rizza. Gold keeps pushing. Calm down, Gold. I had to close the buy before news because my firm won't allow news. Damn. Damn, bro. Hey, pros and cons, man. Pros and cons to everything. See this daily. Is this daily flipping? Ooh, daily's about to flip here. Wow, so this daily came all the way down, broke previous candle lows, and now we're coming back up and about to flip here. We got a wick to fill too. Wow. Looking like price has changed directions here today. Once we get this 4-hour closure, yeah, there's a daily flip. Lovely. Once we get this 4-hour closure though here, chat, we're gonna get a lot of information on giving us clues what the daily wants to do next. Got B on this trade, I'm gonna go cry. Hey bro, it's all good, part of the game. I know how you feel though.
It's all good. That's what I just have to go do.
Nick just went and cried.
I promise, I wasn't crying. Daily flip. Daily flip.
Yeah, Jamil. Gold is like, so you thought I was bearish? Think again. Yeah, that's why we can't really marry something. Like, we can't marry a bias. We just have to flow and be fluent with price and where it wants to go. All right, we just got to follow price action. We got to trade what we see and not what we think.
Yeah, so someone asked, hey, how come we're bullish, right? Or why would we be expecting those buys? And now you see how strong that support really was, right? Support here, support on the 30-minute time frame, support on the 15-minute time frame. So plus in this area is very like choppy here as well, and I think we just had to push down, grab that extra liquidity, chop around a bit, and then boom. 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 Yeah, the 30 closing bull was great too. You needed that. But yeah, so once this 4-hour candle closes, I guess what we'll do is we will basically do another top-down analysis and see where we can go from here. And we just gotta wait like 20 minutes for this candle to close now. Yeah, you got more clean range above 25 there, but other than that, it's back in this range.
No, Dominic, you want to be committed to following price. We're never cheating the game.
Target tap, man. What up, Ali Reza? What's good? What's good? How much caffeine does this have? Nothing. 0 caffeine.
What you chugging down?
This one has
excess?
a very small amount.
What flavor are you drinking right now?
Strawberry burn, the best.
That's your favorite one?
Yes, sir. This one is the most effective. In my opinion. Yeah, word. How many likes we got? You guys took the trade, didn't even like the stream. Hey, can we get to 500? 1,039? And only 305 are willing to hit like? Damn. Damn, son. Sheesh. Glory to the Father. I'm out of here.
All right, Nick, you should just end the stream for that reason.
How you doing?
Chat, leg it up or he's done.
Like it up. Lead me to your altar, see ya. Hey, we had buy stops. We blinked and price was at like 23.25, man. What do you want me to do?
Hey, Mike, good morning, bro.
Let's see if we can get to 500.
For a walk.
500. That used to be the standard.
Bro, 1,000 was easy. I remember.
Bro, 1,000 hits. Y'all lucky Green ain't here today.
Facts.
TK.
Come on, chat. Help him out with the likes.
You have no idea. You have no clue how easy it is once you're on the stream for me and TK to enter into your computer. Don't play with us.
No facts. TK, me and TK were on a
Pay the
call and
fee.
he went in my computer. I'm like, how? I'm like, how the hell is the guy on my computer right now?
Y'all ain't got no clue, man. We're like special ops out here. If you've been on this live stream, we already have your full identity. We're coming for those likes.
We know your address too. No, I'm just trolling.
We got your social. Don't trip.
It's in good hands.
I'm in your computer, but we're really gonna be in your computer, man. Just pass my challenge. We'll hook up
TK's
the.
about to gamble your account.
We're gonna bless a few people with the super duper ultra 4K Eagle 4000 copy trader signal provider. Does your robot send signals out for all sessions? Come on, man. You guys gotta stop. Just stop. You don't want to be that desperate, man. Just learn how to trade. Yeah, I'm talking to you.
Nick, we already tried that, bro. We already tried depending on someone else to make money and trade. It didn't work out.
I remember, I thought this thing was going to be so easy. I'm like, well, how about I just pay you to do all this? He's like, yeah, man. Yeah, I got this robot. It trades for you. I'm like, really? That sounds great. So I don't have to do any work and I can make a whole bunch of money? It's like, yeah, man. I'm like, all right, how much is it? I'm like, wow, that seems kind of steep. It's like, dude, do you want to make money while you sleep or do you want to keep working forever? I'm like, all right, man, I'm in. I'm in.
That's all you gotta say.
Blew my account. Oh, yeah,
Man.
sorry, man. You know, the bot just happened to take all losses that week. Your first week. Usually never happens that way. I'm like, oh, gotcha.
Oh, really?
I was like, all right, let me just figure this thing out on my own. No lie, that's kind of what happened.
Pretty much. Let's go, chat. Life lesson. Don't be dependent on no one but yourself. And that's who you need to depend on is you. Right, Nick?
Yes, sir. The best ROI, the best bet you'll have a ROI on is a bet on yourself.
Facts.
No doubt about it. Okay. Closures are coming up. A few more minutes.
15 more minutes to wait. It's the waiting game, y'all. Come on. Yo, Nick, though, imagine though if like for every hour of the day, at least besides the hours you're sleeping, right? For every hour that you have in the day, you use those hours on bettering yourself, on improving yourself. Like, how much better would you be, right?
I know.
Like,
All the way. That's what I did do.
right? So that's what. Yeah.
Literally.
So chat, I mean, maybe rethink your situations now. Imagine if you put all your time and energy into yourself. You wouldn't have to depend on nobody.
Had buy stops 09, got slipped to 14. Wow, that was big slippage. Sheesh.
And sounds like an offshore broker.
44 pips slippage, wow. What about the 5-minute candle? What about it?
Yeah, Nicola, that's when trading changed for me too. When I stopped treating it like a game and I started treating it like a business. Right? I started to make professional decisions and I started to get those results. And that was like some of the best advice I've ever gotten was treat trading like a business.
Oh, Lele's up. She's up early. What about
Really?
the 5-minute candle? You tell me.
Yo, good morning, Energy. Yeah, facts. Trading's our love.
Yeah. Yeah, if you're gonna trade news, you want to enter like the entry that we had. You want to enter like before the news, so that way there's no slippage at all. Because if you have a buy stop, it's typically gonna get slipped.
And don't like some brokers or firms like operate like they'll slip you in the trade too. So like while you're in the trade, they'll just start slipping you a bunch of pips. I remember that happening to me
Yeah, right.
when my Forex.
Spread started going up like on the fly. Like, wait, what?
Yeah, it's like you're in profit, news is about to hit, the trade keeps going in profit, but now you're somehow in drawdown.
Hey, should be 10 pips in profit. Wait, -3 pips. What?
I remember, Nick, I remember that happening to us last year. Dude. That was trash.
I know. Have you ever thought about using and getting investors to use an account instead of a challenge account? That sounds like a headache that I am not willing to deal with. Because when you start, and you know, that also depends on the partner, but when you start trading other people's money, it could become very annoying. Right? So that's not really a business that I'd be open to doing.
Yeah, and depending on the person, you'll probably have to split your profits too. So
Regardless of the agreement, it's annoying when you're handling other people's money, because now they're calling you, hey man, like, you know, shut up. So it depends on the partner and all that, but yeah, not my style.
yeah, I'd rather just hustle for that capital
Sounds good in
instead of
theory.
taking it.
Yeah. Switches a while. Oh, slippage. Yeah, while you're going to futures. Yeah. Fair enough. Yeah, fair enough. Yeah, I think that's just a headache I'm just not willing to go through. Yeah, it does. Yeah, and then it affects your psychology, especially if like that person's like always reaching out to you, like, hey, what's the growth of the money? What's the percentage? What's the portfolio out? Blah 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 blah. Like, it's like, dude, relax. Let me just trade. So yeah, that
Especially like every week.
yeah. Update me on the money. I really love how you did stop loss at break even and protected your plan and respected it. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Because this, you know, we were fighting the muscle here. The muscle was down, right? I mean, we understood valid reasons why we should and could go up, but you still got to respect your plan at the end of the day. Yeah, and that's the other thing too. Most
And
people they don't know how to lose. So when they do lose, they're very upset. That's why I shut down the signals and all that too, because people just don't know how to lose, right? So they get in here and they think, oh, you know, I could throw a couple dollars at this guy and he'll go make me some money. It's like, nah, nah, that's not the game we're playing. So it's just, you know, anytime you can stay away from touching other people's money, the best. Oh. Yeah, Chad. Update the record. They'll be hitting you up like, yo, update me on the record. Update me on the record. Oh, nice job, Vicky. Nice. Congratulations. 977. Let's go. Yep, that's true, Jerry.
77 light work.
Yeah, it's the same thing with trading signals, right? Most people who buy signals, they have no idea what we're doing here. No clue, right? So they just think, oh, yeah, promote it on, social media and stuff. Well, I can make money, and then, like I did, right? The first 2 or 3 trades when I was working with that one guy, we lost, and I'm like, wait, whoa, what's going on here, right? So most people just don't have a clue with about what we're doing here, so they wouldn't understand. Like, yo, you're in drawdown. It's like, wait, what? Yeah, you're in drawdown. You're in the negative. Should I just say it that way? You're losing money, pal. Your money's dwindling. Right? So they can't handle that type of stuff. So your money's running down to 0, bro. What do you want me to do? It was a bad week. Yeah, and I've also seen other people do that, and they've always gotten cooked, right? Always gotten cooked, reputation destroyed. It's not a good thing, When you lose other people's money, it's not good. Hi, Lily. You like it? Yeah. Thank you. What are you doing? You want to say hello to everyone real quick?
Lily chose to wake up early today.
Say hi, everyone. Tell 'em. Say hi, John. You gotta talk louder. Say time to eat.
Spit us a gem, Lele.
Throw a gem at us. Say, yo, time to eat. Tell him in the microphone. Time to eat.
Time to eat.
Time to eat.
Eat. Yo, shout out Lele. Get it. Oi.
Okay, I'll come back to you later, okay?
Let's get some W's for Lele.
Don't forget this here.
W's for Lele bringing the volume out. Let's get it. There we go. Lele. Oh, chat's cooking. Look at that chat go. Y'all got me staring. But our waiting here is coming down to the last couple minutes. We got 3 minutes here for a 4-hour closure, so we can get some more information here. But as you can see, the lower time frames have been so bullish, right? So bullish. So probably gonna need to wait on a pullback or something like that. At least for me, I'm definitely gonna need a pullback.
Check out
I'm
Mo.
sure Nick will be looking at it if it closes right at resistance. Chat's got motion, bro.
Nobody knows nothing, bro. No one knows nothing if it closed at resistance.
No one knows nothing, bro.
We're just hanging out. Who, me? Me? I'm just hanging out.
Say no. We're chilling and trading.
What are you doing over there? Who, me?
I
Nothing.
dare you, Gold. I dare you, Gold. Close right at resistance. You won't.
Lele. Yeah, Lele. You're not able to join Discord? That shouldn't be the case. You should be good to go. Chat got 930 cheat code right now. All right, let's do a new analysis here.
Yeah, that's what I was just gonna say.
All right, so let's take a look here, chat. So, we came to the desk. The daily candle was way down here, right? Broke the lows, but now it came back up. It came back up to create a top wick, and you know, obviously we're kind of stuck in this range right now on the daily, right? So you got supports here. You have this range that we came from, which is right here, and we're just kind of stuck there. So we do have a wick to fill. We did kind of poke our way up there yesterday and rejected. So I'm not sure if we just came up today to make a top wick to continue driving down. I think the lower time frames will have some more information on that for us. But all in all, we're gonna need a bottom wick here on this 4-hour candle. So let's go check the 4-hour real quick. 4 hours closing bullish, pretty good bullish too, right? So you got a nice closure here. You've got clean traffic moving up towards 23.38, and that is about a 150 point move here. So let's go ahead and see what the 1 hour is looking like. You have resistance here. So in order for us to take advantage of that clean move on the 4 hour, I think you need a closure above here, right? So if you can get a closure above either on the 1 hour or the 30-minute time frame, then I think this is good to go. You've got a nice clean range, like I said, coming up towards these levels here. And then we'll take a look at that. Other than that, you have like these ranges here that you may potentially be able to get, like if you close below there may be opportunities here to take sells. So the new 4-hour candle has opened up, so let's let this thing open up and see what it wants to do over the next couple minutes, and then we can kind of go from there. Yeah, you've got clean range, right? You've got clean range on the way down, 120 pip range. You got clean range on the move up, 130, 120 pip range as well. So let's see what we want to do on this next candle. We're kind of in this choppy zone here, so we may chop around for a few minutes and then, you know, decide to run from there. The impulse sells, yeah, the impulse sells, we would have to come up here and, you know, break the highs and all that. What up, Bobo? Bobo. The daily isn't bearish, you know. The daily is still bullish, right? Technically, right, from a technical standpoint, this previous candle has closed bullish, right? So technically we are bullish, and the 4-hour here is bullish as well. Yeah, now the only reason I could build up a case for sells right here is that we are tapped in. We did tap into this target here. So if you make an attempt to like push up, fail to break the high, and then re-break the low, then that's like the attempt that I would look for. Other than that, you need a bearish closure or you need a bullish closure above here at 930. But look at our nearest support is down here now. We were talking about this the other day. About, you know, everyone's stop losses who enter right now, they're all going to be somewhere within this range here, because no one's going to keep their stops down here, right, when their entries up here. So what this does is, as this wicks down, right, that stops everybody out, right? So then that could be your official bottom wick for price to push up, you know, a little bit later here. So we'll see if we can get some sort of an impulse trade, but we need to push up and break the high here. You can do it, Gold.
Just wait on it.
Why do we need to wait for the highs? How come, chat? Why do you think it's best that we wait for that high to break? What up, Lights Fire? I see ya, I see ya.
Couple reasons.
Yep. Activate buyers. Yep, I like that. Confirmation. Yep. Activate buyers. Yep, exactly. Yeah, because one thing we noticed
Breaking
about sorry, John, some of our trades in 2020, early 2023 is that we would take this buy right here and we would be shooting for like up here, right? So we'd get activated, but then price would stop us out, drive down, break like 15-minute, 30-minute lows, but still respect the 4-hour low, which is way down here, and then drive up. So market maker, whatever you want to call them, right? They understand that there's a lot of stops sitting right there. Hey, Scott's in flow state. Let's go.
Sir Scott, I can tell, bro. You're locked in. I can tell it.
Yep, George VDM, correct. Yep.
Yeah.
Stuff Rob trades. Right. We were waiting for that yesterday too, but we never broke the high, right? So price did drive down like we expected, but we never got that confirmation. And then worst case is we take sells below 18 here, 19. That's going to be the better confirmation because this one right here could just be the 4-hour bottom wick. This setup's now my favorite. This setup has added a lot of trades here. Hey, yo, 442.
A lot of trades.
442. Can we just get to 500? Can you guys just do me that solid? Look, I promise you, I'm not even making money for being here. No monetization. Hook a brother up, yo. I'm trying to get paid in likes.
Pay the man the likes, bro.
Pay the fee.
Hook the man up.
Yeah, but look, 1, 2,
Give him game.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 trades this month. 11 trades this month, all impulse. All this very kind of similar idea. Yep. TTE is home. Grind time. I love seeing grind time here. Grind time.
$40 trades today. Damn.
40? That's light.
Solid.
Someone out there, somewhere in the world, is got one on you right now. Don't let him beat you. Patience, patience.
Today I took 3 trades, all 3 and lost. Blown 4% was the last of my funded account. Ooh, were those 3 trades that you took, were they trades that you followed your plan? Harsh 1-1. Be honest with me too.
Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Did you go against your playbook and try and steal?
Did you follow your plan? No.
Some money from the markets.
Okay. Harsh.
Now you gotta heal.
No. It makes sense then why you took 3 losses and you're close to blowing your account because you didn't follow your plan.
There you go.
All right out of my plan, FOMO revenge. All right, beautiful. So what's the lesson today, Harsh?
Simple.
The
What a
lesson
day for
today
you.
is that we need to follow our plan.
Wow, what a big day for you. Honestly, if you can actually, like, you said the answer, but if you can actually understand that and comprehend it in your brain, you now have the opportunity to make some changes, right? And this could be a life-changing day for you. You could be like, hey, if I never said I took 40 losses in a day, I would have never got some simple advice. And if I wouldn't have gotten that advice, then maybe I wouldn't have changed what I'm doing. And sheesh, if I had not changed what I'm doing, I'd still be in that same situation. So don't go through that anymore. You know, use these days, right? Use a day like today to say, you know what? I really got to clean that up. You know, I really got to fix that. If I don't fix it, nothing's going to change for me. And I promise you, nothing will change, right? Unless you do change it. But we all have the ability to make changes, right?
Yes, sir. And brother, yeah, it's okay. You know, you choose the path you want to go now in this moment. But what's going to separate you from being what separates individuals who are successful and aren't, it's just simply they learn from their mistakes, right? They take the failures and the losses and use those as lessons to help them continue moving forward, right? They fail forward. So that's all you got to do, bro. You choose that path, though.
Yep. Trust me, I've been there.
And yeah. One trade you did follow your plan, and then you just wanted to revenge trade. That's what it sounds like. And that's what you're saying to me, and that's cool. But imagine, right, if you just stopped after that one trade, you followed your plan, you took the L, all right, now you continue to wait for your plan. You would have avoided losing two more times, and it's part of the game, and that's what people do, and it's, I understand that, right? I understand, like, you want to win, right? We have this winner mentality, like, you're not okay with losing. Like, I totally get that, like, but in trading, you got to understand the game. You got to understand the game you're playing, understand that losses are part of the game, and that you got to keep executing on the edge. Remember, that's what's like making people struggle with trading their edges. They don't have that probabilities mindset. They're not okay with taking losses, right? They need to get it right back. But if you understand that with trading your edge comes losses, right, you'll be able to execute that edge way more better, you know, flawlessly, if you understand loss is part of the game.
And way to go public with that, you know? You could sit back and act like that didn't happen, but you go ahead and you're willing to be transparent and vulnerable in front of, I don't know, there's probably 1,000 people here or something. And, you know, I'm sure a lot of people are going to learn from what we just talked about. You know, I feel like where the realization happened for me was I would follow my plan. I would lose a trade. Let's just call it $100, just to keep it simple, right? I would lose 100. And then I'll go, no way I'm leaving the desk with losing money today, right? As if that wasn't okay. So what I would do is I would revenge trade. That's where the revenge trade would happen. So let's say I revenge trade, and by the time it was all said and done, I lost $500, right? Then what would happen is I would be down on myself. I'd be upset. I'd come back the next day. I'd find a good playbook setup, and then I would take that trade and make $100. And what I would say to myself was, damn, man, like, if you weren't such an idiot yesterday, you could have had that $100 back here today. But because you wanted to go out, revenge trade, break your plan, just take random trades based off of like where the market was pushing, you now lost 500. So now you need 5 more trades to come back from something that it would have just taken you one trade and you could have been on with it, right? You could have just took your loss on Monday, got it back on Tuesday. Instead, on Tuesday, I was trying to get back the 5 losses on Monday and not just the 1, you know, and then that never puts you in a good situation either, because now I'm sitting here trying to revenge and get 5 losses back, right? So it's a downward spiral, right, at that point. So if you take a loss, it's okay, right? Chill out, wait for the next best setup. Don't just try and, you know, force something to get your loss back.
There.
Yeah, man. Yeah, it was tough. You know, it was a bummer. I'd be like, damn, I could have literally just not even had that bad of a wound, right? Could have healed that up the next day, but instead I was fighting revenge. I was revenge trading to fight revenge trading. It was so stupid.
Yeah. That's just not how it works. Yeah, that's just not how it works.
Yeah.
I like what J4 Trades said. He says winners have failed more than they succeeded, and that's facts. But they keep moving forward, right? That's what's gonna separate them, is they're persistent, right? They keep moving forward, they keep going at it, right? So that's all you gotta do, brother.
Yes, sir. Just a stepping stone on your journey.
we can't be scared of failure too, y'all, right? We need to embrace it. We need to understand that failure is a part of success, right? You can't have pleasure without pain. You can't have success without failure, right? So it's okay, right? As long as we're failing forward, failing's great. The thing with failing is people let fear fail them, right? So, and fear is going to stunt your growth completely, right? Fear is going to make you go backwards in your process. So it's okay, right? We need to have a good mindset, and we need to keep moving forward and understand that lessons are helping us become better in life.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Even the word millionaire got a couple L's in it. Woo!
What do you want to
Exactly.
do? How you doing? What's your
Exactly.
mouth? Nobody knows nothing.
And my brother Harsh, like, I'm not trying to call you
Hey.
out, brother, at all. Like, I just want to help you, man. I want to help you make changes
Facts.
that going to help your life and your family and your loved ones. And yeah, that's really it, brother. And I believe in you, dude.
You got this, man.
Yeah.
Even the word millionaire got a couple L's in it. Heard that one yesterday. I was like, ooh, that was catchy. What do you want to do? One more time for John, because he couldn't hear it.
What do you want to do? How you doing? What's your mouth? Nobody knows nothing. How you doing?
Yo, why does he say it like that at the end?
He was just in the moment. He was feeling it.
That last how you doing word. All right, let's see here. You may get a 15 candle closing with I would say maybe no bottom wick, right? So that may lead to a fake out for this 4-hour candle to move up. So we're still in a bit of spooky territory here.
Yeah, facts. We gotta be careful with the sells too, just because the bottom wick could form any moment.
Yep, exactly. Four-hour bullish. First 30 could be a retracement to form a good bottom wick with the 4-hour. Yeah, exactly. That's what we were just kind of saying there. Yep. Yeah, so you got a 15 closure, but I'm not going to bite on this. There's very little to no bottom wick. I'm actually probably going to expect somewhat of a fake out here. If we can drive down, fail to break that low, then that's where I might be looking to go long here. If not, then I need a closure back up, you know, a new closure. Fake outs for buys, potentially. Will the daily candle have what it takes, man, to rip up here today and give us that clean 4-hour move? It's a really clean move there on the 4-hour if we can really take advantage of it.
Find out. It's like a TV show.
Find out.
Like, what's the
after
daily
this
want to do
brief
next?
commercial.
What's the far I want to do?
Like a soap opera, dude. I feel like I'm like in
And each
4th grade again at my grandma's house.
right, and each session's like an episode.
Here, Nikki, take $10. Go get some McDonald's. Thanks, Grandma.
Cops a dime instead.
Yo, boys, we're chilling.
Let's go.
Grandma
We
hooked
lit.
it up with 20.
You got the papers, bet.
Next time on Dragon Ball Z. You guys are funny.
But he knows nothing.
Dragon Ball Z, man. Cigarellos back in the day? Nah, it was like those Dutch Masters. Come on, break the low here for us, Goldie. How much you guys up today? How much you guys up? How much you guys down? Where you guys at?
0.
I'm at 0. 0.00.
Same.
How much money you guys made today? Shmoney. Okay, there it is. I'm gonna have a buy stop here. Boom. Buy stop. Perfect. B stop. All right, cool. So look, we should drive down now, right? We should drive down after breaking that low. We should not break that high. So if we don't drive down and we happen to break that high, then where do you think we're going? Right? Technically, we should drive down here after breaking that low. So if we're not going to do that and we break the high, then that tells me that price may not want to go down and that may be the bottom wick on the new 4-hour candle. Yeah, and then if you get a fake out here where price closes back in this range and then 930 comes in, you're typically going to go up and fill that wick. Make sense? So this trade is heavily based off of the 4-hour candle beginning to move back up. Look at, if we get rid of everything here, that 4-hour candle to me looks like it wants to travel up, right? If it doesn't keep breaking the low, it looks like we have some clean moves here on the 4 hours. So that's kind of like the idea here and what we're looking for.
You have current candle stops?
I have stops below this low right there. That last low over there. Yeah, and the way I'll probably do this is if I do get activated and we push up and then we re-break that low, I'll probably just close my full position right at the break of that low, if that does happen. Later, energy. Enjoy your day.
Peace, energy.
Two last trades I entered on the 5-minute. It wasn't on the 5-minute. They were on the 15-minute. Yeah, I think I just sent a picture on the 5-minute for one of them just to show you like the structure on it. But yeah, they were off the 15, kind of like this. This one?
Oh. Snap. Now. Now if we break the highs, there's a very high chance we push up. Yes, sir, AB Mike. What What type of setup is this? This is a high probability impulse setup.
All right, I'm gonna delete this for now though.
Coming close to 930. Stop's getting big.
You may get a better entry here, right? So if this, so you see what we're doing on the 15, break of the high. So let's say the new 30-minute comes up. So you see we're running into this area again, right? So now the same thing may apply. Let me just delete this real quick. Right here on the 930 candle. So if the 930 candle, like if this candle here can close with very little to no bottom wick, and 931 kind of makes a top wick, drives down, re-breaks the high, that's probably when the 4 hour is going to go. So let's wait on that now and we'll see where we're at. And if that is the case, then we've got a way better entry than we did before, because now we would probably have entries somewhere down here, which is about 38 pips lower. So we'll see if we can get that. Yeah, it still looks really good. Yeah, we want to see this move down right now. Right? That was the big thing. We want to see those lows break, and now you know, like, sellers are 100% in the game. So now, like, if we go up, like, that's going to be a lot of volatility from all that liquidity grabbed. I'm up 4% on phase one. W, bro. You just got that account. Didn't you just get that account yesterday? Yeah, I don't want to take sells here anyway, because the 4 hours bull and so is the daily. So just by law, I have to somewhat wait for somewhat of a range 2 here. Holy shit's running. Yeah, can you guys visualize this 4 hour candle doing something like this? Like, I can totally see that happening here. Oh, the news set you up. That's right. You held that trade earlier. News hooked you up. Holy. Alright, big 30 closure here. Looking good, looking good. 3 minutes. Yeah, so I'm gonna sit tight and wait. I don't have any buy stops or sell stops right now. Just gonna see how this candle closes here, and then again we may have that same opportunity on the next candle here. You canceled? I did. I closed my buy stop. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close here. We got 3 minutes left. You also may have a better stop loss too, right? So if this candle, let's say the new 30 comes down, makes a wick like here, then we can use that wick for our stops versus this wick, and then maybe we'll get the push up. Struggling.
2 minutes.
2 minutes, how you doing?
How you doing?
So happy Zoom can hear now.
Thanks, bro.
That was probably so boring for you.
It was, man. I was talking with no background noise.
Nothing.
Nothing.
One day we'll get little Mo on here, man. I believe we could do it. He's a
Got
big
to.
shot now, man. He's a big shot. What are you gonna do? No one knows nothing.
No one knows nothing.
9:30 coming. Yeah, I might have the same exact trade here. Let's not break that high too quick. Yeah, I like this range better here. All right, chat, I'm gonna have a buy stop here. Buy stop on the break of those previous candle highs. So same entry as before. What's the difference here? 10 pips. Yeah, I'm gonna use the previous candle. This current candle is not too bad though. Boom. All right. So we'll see if we can get another shot at the bullish direction here. My cousin had him at a party? No
Edge.
way. Do you have a connection? Can we
Sick.
use that? Can we use that connection, bro?
Right?
What's good? What's good?
Help
I'd
us
love
out,
to get
bro,
him on here, man. That would be
to
sick.
meet him. Ed shows up, yo. It's time to execute.
Let's do 10 or 11. Yeah, let's do 9. Limit. Sell. Boom. All right. Yo, for real, can you? I would. Yeah, I'm dead serious. Ask him, be like, yo, you pull up to the TTE live stream? He'll be like, I don't know what a
That'd be
TTE
awesome.
live stream is. How you down? They got food?
That would be awesome.
Tell him we got food. It's time to eat. That would actually fit perfect for him too, right? Because he is a big eating guy.
Definitely, bro.
So if he can get featured
Literally
on Time to Eat trading, I mean, that would be pretty neat.
Facts,
If
bro.
you ask me.
Maybe you can do a food review for the stream.
Little food review.
Yeah.
Come on Zoom. Bring a chicken parm.
Make it happen.
Ask him, brother. Ask him. Did I enter the buy? Yes. He might cost. Yeah, he might cost. How much did he charge? Did he charge? If he's charging, man, I'm like, damn, brother. You getting bougie on us now, eh? How you doing in the real voice word? Just come in and be like,
How you doing?
they got food. Yo, we got food. We got food. We got some food. Give him a challenge account. Yo, we'll give him a challenge account. How you doing? Let's see if you can pop it off. How you doing? All right, chat. I'm gonna go break even here. Right here, BE. No more risk, and let's see if we can get her to run this time.
Run for us, Goldie.
Pop off for us. Pop off. You can do it.
Pop off.
So yeah, I'm break even. Nobody knows nothing.
All my pushes here.
A little bit more, a little bit more. I'm gonna bring this down right there. See if we can slap it. One more push. One more push.
One more.
Oh, one more. Give
I
it
know
to me,
Gold wants to give it to us. One more. Here it comes.
Can we get it? We're on it. There we go. All right, cool. So partials have been taken here, chat, at
Beautiful.
32 pips. And now we see if we
Lovely.
can continue running it up. But I would definitely take my partials there and yeah, go break even.
We get paid to
W, chat.
execute.
Great trade. Two really good trades here today.
Cute.
Dubs. Dubs, dubs. If you took that trade, spam a W in the chat. Tag us on Instagram if you're posting your trades. W. Wow, perfect closure. Let's see, can we keep pumping?
That was literally
here?
the last. That was the one push I was looking for, and that's it.
Literally last push. We got a runner. Let's see if we get a runner here today. 15-minute candle's gonna close here in 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Good job.
Keep executing, y'all.
Yes, sir. Way to execute. How you doing, AB Mike? Hey, yo, W's in I forgot to look at the chat. W's in the chat. Great trade, great trade. I don't see no one saying update the record, though. Not one person. Not
30
one.
pips,
Just to make
let's go.
sure that I knew about it. Just to give me a friendly reminder. Not one person, man. Nobody knows nothing. Don't update the record. Well, you know what? I'm going to update it now. Yeah, that was nice trade, gang. Nice trade. 31 pips. And now targets at this point are going to be like more up towards like that 4-hour target. Like way up here. See this 4-hour candle? It's flipping now. There it goes. So you got to break the highs there. Cuz you could fail to break that high too here, right? Cuz we do kind of want to probably go down. But we'll see how much juice we have on the 4-hour candle. We got a runner. Yeah, if we break that high, we should have a nice runner here. YOLO trader. Leave a like on the stream. Let me see. Are we at 500 yet? Where's the YouTube? Ooh, all right, 544. Chat, I was gonna say, damn. All right, 930 cheat code. Let's see if the 4-hour flips for us.
Looks like it wants to continue. I didn't leave a runner though. I got out.
Nice.
What do you got? You got like 20% in or something
I
like
got
that?
2 units still running.
Oh, bet.
So I think I had 11 open, and I think I have
11.
9 now.
All right, but at least you
I'm sorry,
secured
2.
most of it.
Yes, I secured 9.
Bet. Alright.
Play. So I'm trying to think here. So that idea was based off of, yeah, I would say that was more like a 15 onion than a 30-minute impulse, because we were using that 15. We did understand. You guys seen that last shift that I made? I was looking to really see what was the best range to use, right? Because if we would have used this range, which we were using originally, then we could have said, hey, that bullish candle closed below, you know, there's nothing here for us, right? But notice how I kind of went back and found a little bit of a better area, which was this one right here. So you see this, you see rejections, support, rejection. If you go left, you have another major resistance here. So that, and then this guy right here, right? So that was, from what I was able to see, was the best point to play here. And that little fine adjustment there in the last like minute of the closure really made a big difference in this trade. So we did have a fake out back into the range. It was a 15-minute onion play. Yeah, 15 onion. So,
plus an exhaustion wick too. So
yeah.
even some more confidence too with that.
And I really like that entry there on the break of the break of the current candle high. But I had already had my mind set up, so I used that one. But yeah. So can we run 4-hour? Can we run? Yeah, 30 seller here too. Bro. Sheesh.
Way to hold.
Yeah.
Price makes a high. I can already hear Raj's voice. When price makes a high, pulls back, creates support, there's an 8% chance we retest those highs. Beautiful example right here on the 15-minute.
Yep. So simple. Right? We had the 4-hour bullish bias in mind. That was the bottom wick. We understood the move down. We could have participated in that, but we didn't. Like, same thing as yesterday, right? But we waited for that bottom wick to form, waited for our confirmation here on the lower time frame. We tried it once, didn't work. Got B down here, but the same opportunity kind of presented itself again, and we were right there to catch it this time. So good job.
Might have to hit up this walk early, bro, and then look for another trade. Nah.
30 entry, yeah. Come on, run for us here. We gotta close above 24, 25 really. Congrats on 36K
there, Andrew.
subs. Is that what we got? 36K? we have 36K?
36K, bro. You're cooking.
Yo, Pip and Dippers. What's good, y'all? Holy.
Damn.
Damn, Pip and Dip. So
That's-
Pip and Dip kind of day. 11:28 to 9:07. They're out. They're like, all right, man, we're out of here. High five, everyone. Let's go.
Oh, made a trade.
These are the guys right here that probably would have.
Oh, but they won't be
They
here.
would have posted L in the chat if we would have lost that trade. These are the guys that would have posted the L.
Those guys won't last, chat. Trust me. Trust me.
Wait, I was looking at subs, wasn't I? Subscribers. You got some 1030 natural gas storage coming in here too. Subs, yeah. Oh yeah, nice. 36K, 380 videos here, chat. 380 videos. And I would say maybe we have what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So let's just say, so that means we have what, 369 live streams we've done. Wow. Damn. That's insane. No, I'm still in. I'm still in. Up.
Oh, it's only the 13th of June.
Bro, how am
too.
I in the positive right now? What's going on here? Oh, where's my entry? How am I still in positive?
What the hell?
I don't
Bro,
know.
what?
I'm closing though.
Huh?
I'm out. I think that might have happened.
Yeah,
Did I
that's-
mess something up when I went to close partials? Yeah, I think
Maybe.
I think I might have messed something up. But I'll take
That
it.
doesn't
I was
even
like,
make sense.
yeah, that made no sense at all, but I'll take it. Thank you, God.
Shout out Trade
Shout out God.
Shout out God.
W Lord.
All right, on to the next.
My God is an awesome. I'll take it. I'll take it. So yeah, B hit, man. Great trade. Perfect job right there. You know, if you would have sniped the exit up there, great job. My exit was here. I like this resistance best. I understand that there's a major resistance here on the 1 hour. So yeah, that's a good job, man. Good trade. And now this candle's coming down. Grab the pack. And may drive here the last 15 of 930. Yeah, I could totally see this thing driving here. Got a trade. You ever seen that before?
Got a trade. It's goody.
W trade. Now focus on the next one. All right. Sells. Sell, sell, sell. Nah, no lie. This may drive here at 9:30. Look at the 30-minute candle here. Activated. Bro, I had a runner
Oh, wow,
going in
30-minute
drawdown.
back. What the hell?
I had a positive runner in drawdown. What was up with that?
Dude, for real.
How you doing?
God's on your side, bro. He's got your back.
What's my strategy?
There's no strategy. I have no strategy.
There
There's
is
zero
no strategy. Nothing. My strategy is understand candlesticks and then trade the candlesticks in front of you that day. Pretty much.
Sounds very simple, Nick.
Your partials close automatically on that trade? Yes. Yeah, that's because Louis G taught me how to close partials there a couple days ago. Or what was that? That was like 2 weeks ago now. Yeah. Drawdown. I don't know, AB Mike. That's that favor, man. I don't know. How'd I close? How'd I get And why did my BE get hit? Like, that was the weirdest thing ever. I don't know, man.
You
I
just
don't know.
got too much momentum, bro.
Nobody
Nothing can
knows
stop
nothing.
you.
That's too much flow state. I don't know. We're deep in the flow. Journal. Did we mark that trade up? Yeah. So
So, Nick, what are you doing today?
let's finish the markup. W.
The Don, I'm probably gonna hit up a walk and just
Yeah, this
Just
this
chill
move,
out.
this makes total sense right here. This move.
texture.
Did we update the overlay yet, chat? Update the overlay. The big 14. I think we're missing a trade. I think I'm by mistake. I feel like that should be 15. I'll have to go back and check. Yo, maybe you're right. Maybe I did open a sell. It did say sell, didn't it? I think I did see something say sell. Let me look at that again. Let me look at the replay. That was so strange. Nah, I don't know. See that again. Yeah, you see that? Yeah, I have no idea what happened there. I guess I had 2 units. Yeah, I don't know. Man, I gotta be careful with that. That's nuts. Sheesh. Should have held it. That would have been nice, Marcus. Yeah, it looks like it was red. Yeah, it looks like it did say so.
Bro, W exit.
Yeah, man. Really good exit. Really good partials.
Yeah, man.
Did I take it on my top
That's
one?
a
account?
good
Nope.
example. That's a good example too of taking what the market willing to give you, right? That was the most logical level, that high, that resistance to target,
Yeah.
and take what the market gives you, right? We took profits there, and price came back down.
Oh, yeah, you're right. It's because you have to reduce, yeah, the lot size. Yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah. Yep. Got it. Got it. Makes sense. I got caught. Yeah, that was the Eagle. We were testing the Eagle 4000 there. I'm going to have to like the stream today. Yeah, let me give the stream a like here. There it is. Alright, gang. I think that's it for me. I've enjoyed my time with all you lovely people here today. It's been a great time.
Same, bro.
But But I think that just about
wanna-
does it.
Want to hit up a luck or?
Possibly, yeah. 952. I think so.
All right, bet.
All right, yeah, pull up.
All right, bet. So
All right.
then I'm gonna head off. Great trade, W all around. Chat, it was awesome being here with you guys. And Nick, I'll see you in a little bit.
All right, cool. Sounds good, bro.
Chat, have a blessed day. Peace.
Peace. All right, chat. Great day here. Really, really good. Good patience, good discipline. Just what we wanted as we approached the markets here today is good patience, good discipline, good professionalism, and that's what we displayed here today. So congratulations on the profits. And yeah, I think that's gonna do it for me today. I'm not gonna probably not gonna participate in anything until maybe a little bit later. I don't know. I might be done for the day here. But yeah, it was a great one. We'll close out. Tomorrow's Friday, right? Yeah, tomorrow's Friday. So yeah, tomorrow, last day of the week. Big Friday coming up, and we'll close it off strong. It's been a great week though, man. It really has been. This week started on what day? This week started on the 10th. So on the 10th here. So yeah, we popped off on Monday with an L, and then it's been pretty much. We got what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades in this week so far. So pretty good. 1 L, 2 B's, and some W's. Both of those break evens probably could have closed partials too if we wanted to. But all in all, it's been a great week. Great month here so far as well. So proud of you guys. Keep up the great work. And until tomorrow, y'all have a blessed day, all right? Later, chat. Love you guys. Peace. I got you, Scott. Scott likes this song. Hey, feel this song, chat. Have fun. Enjoy. Much love. Blessings. Later.
When I wanna shake with a word, times and times I've been down in my heart. Got down, but I still be going in hard. Check distraction, stick on one side. Heaven is the goal, so I'm steady taking my shot. And it's I believe, how the sense of life. That's when he does the magic of turning dark to light. He spread his love for all to step into his life. He reversed the logic of living first to die. Saved my soul from getting defeated, saved my body from getting deleted. Most of the times I couldn't believe it. Holy Spirit, I receive it. I don't deserve this, man, I'm not worth it. But he still loved me when I deserve it. He still gave his life on the cross. His loving is different cause I couldn't earn it. See, this life I'm living is blessed, and you know that the wages of sinning is death. But he put my spirit to rest. Got the blood of the lamb has paid all my debt. I am free, ain't no stress. I believe that I am the best. Got the Holy Spirit on my chest, so man, I won't let the enemy rest.
Say it's on. Can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion. You don't keep me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you give. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so cool inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't out saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins, for me he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he come. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Hey, I just turned $1 million down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was done. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, 'cause you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame.